Nyame adom ha nti me na me Noah masudaye
God have mercy.
Na nyame se me build ark nti ark na me build no ark na me build no akakakra me frefre obia.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
So this man that you saw on your screen is called Ebonoah. As you heard what he's saying that God is going to be destroying the world with water, and then he's building an ark that's going to save the people who are willing to be saved in the very ark. So stay around so that I gist you through all this. My name is K Frimpong and I'm the ugly boy in this blue cap. Let's go. So for quite some time now, I think I've been watching this man for, I think it's been 3 days now. I've been watching some of his videos that he's been posting on the media. He has been talking about a lot, but he's claiming that God is going to destroy the world with water. So if you think you want to be saved, as it happened in Noah's days in the Bible, you have to be there before 25th of December so that you'll be part of the people who are going to be in the ark, very ark that he's building. He's saying that when the water strikes, when it rains, it's going to continue for 3 years.
How are you telling me this?
So I think nothing is going to survive. And he's saying that when it starts raining, it's going to rain very high and then hard. So if you are not in the ark, there's no way you are going to survive this. So if you want to be saved, just gather your things and then head straight to the eastern part of Ghana so that you get a ticket to the boat. But I don't know. For quite some time now, your man has turned this into something like a fame chasing. Because when you go to his page, he has stopped advertising on the boat and they're now posting videos of people, especially Shatawali celebrating his birthday. He has posted a video of him and then a whole lot, bro. As for me, I don't know if what your man is saying is real or not. He's been having interviews for quite some time, and then let's go and hear what he said. He said in the video.
In the vision, God told you said the see ark na the NBC. So
go and tell the people to change. And to tell the people to change, then that means I have to build something to save people. What will be GD? Okay, there's massive distraction ever. Until I can be boom, say, Sana, no time, no. Okachenko for say, moon change you, meba, moon change you.
Not then I won't find color requires preaching, now won't preach and grow for moon change you, now Ukwaku see ark. What is the essence of
me? Who show me videos and my call roadside a preachy. And your first time new.
And to what preach you a lot of
preach you a car.
Wow. Preaching Ben at the moment.
Changing and the ark. Yes. I call roadside.
And the ark and who see when who build the wing.
Ark no Yamishra, 2 different locations. The CB was central region. And I miss CB so Takrade.
Western region.
Na Accra ni Kumasi so na year.
Ya mame direction for location ya de mame no.
Yes, it's central region.
Yes.
And western region.
Western.
Me ba cho be hwe Akano live Facebook.
Yes.
Onia 95.1. Inti Akano.
Big Ago. Esu.
Usi no.
Yes.
Esu.
Inti when him no na kasasa.
Yeah,
Bra Facebook se sia, Mr. Bra Facebook se sia. Na obehwe akna esu ye papa. Bra Facebook Onua 95.1 FM na behwe.
Yankopon na ka kire se si akna die na ba besi.
Me say they ever be seen that me catch you.
Ensuo na beto ana die na be.
Ensuo kese pa e ba beto for 4 years.
4
4 years, daddy.
4 years. As in every day we are for 4 years.
Now, Daddy, Mammy, September to October. Wow, try and shoot up.
There be usually
October the nga we abo pa nso ndo.
Ese hu say sign no bi no.
Enne ya wo ba hakura no na me frɛ wo na nsuo gemu na prekope na me say ade sign ni bi ni ana.
Sign ni bi a.
Na se ba bia obeye se upie bia nsuo to ana asesen.
Yo, sign ni bi na no. Sign ni bi ana ekoso.
Bro, the man is talking about a lot, bro. I don't think it's true, but I wasn't part of his vision as well. So all we can do is just wait till it's the 25th and then we see if it rains or not. So all we can do is just wait and see. He has caught the attention of many people. People are trying to, help him out with the boat and then a whole lot. He's saying that the boat is going to be able to admit over 600 million people per boat. He has built over 4 boats now, I think so. But when you look at the boat that is built, I don't think it's going to be able to contain that large number of people. He's just, exaggerating and stuff, bro. Let's just wait and watch and see how things goes. So stick around, for I'm going to bring you any updates that comes around. My name is K Frimpong, and I'm out.